This is Yuzu Ponzu and this is lemon. Color is like this. It's delicious. Two kind of Ponzu, Yuzu juice. Mix it. Recipe is the basic noodle. Today's video is how to make Ponzu sauce. I like it. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. I'm Yuzu. Today we're gonna make Ponzu sauce. That is Japanese classic citrus sauce. Nowadays, this ponzu sauce is very popular over the world. All Japanese house has this ponzu sauce in their fridge. It means this ponzu sauce is very necessary for our ordinary life. The taste is soy sauce based and sweet and sour. Why this ponzu sauce is very popular? Because it can be used in many different ways, such as shabu shabu and boiled veggie, tofu and hot pot, many things. You can make it this sauce in just 3 minutes. Very easy. Just mix all ingredients. That's it. Everyone can make it. Even Yamato. Huh? You can make it. Ponzu sauce. Huh? Okay, just 3 minutes. Follow us and make it and have a taste. It's true or not? Believe me. Okay, let's get started. Get started! Okay, I show you ingredients. Rice vinegar, mirin, soy sauce, kombu cap or fish stock. If you don't have kombu, you can use dashi stock. And citrus. Today I have lemon and yuzu juice. So if you don't have yuzu juice, you can use lemon. And just I have yuzu juice, so I make two kind of ponzu. Okay, ingredients, that's it. At first, I put kombu. If you don't have kombu, you can put in dashi powder. Soy sauce. Okay, that's 100. Rice vinegar. Oh, not enough, but almost 100 cc. Next, mirin. 50 cc of mirin. Just mix it. This is soy sauce and vinegar based. I put 100 cc of this soy sauce based. Next, I put yuzu juice. This is 25. Okay, that's it. This is yuzu ponzu. Okay, this 125 cc of the soy sauce base. And next, the lemon juice, 25 cc. Not enough, so I put lemon juice a little bit. Yes, okay, and mix it. This is lemon ponzu sauce. This is yuzu ponzu and this is lemon. Color is like this. Color is like this. It's delicious. Okay, I have a taste. Oh, this is yuzu one. I feel a little bit strong soy sauce taste, so I put a little bit mirin. Recipe is the basic and I like a bit more sweet. So I put a little bit mirin and also I try. This is lemon. I put the mirin a little bit, not so much. And this mirin has an alcohol inside. If you don't like this weak alcohol, you can boil and remove the alcohol and mix it. But I like this little bit alcohol smell as well. So it's for me, it doesn't matter. If you give this ponzu sauce for kids, I recommend to remove the alcohol first. Okay, I made ponzu sauce, so I wanna eat something with ponzu, so I make quick veggie tofu soup. It's called hotpot. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just I found wombok, leek and tofu. I make quick and simple hotpot. Okay, this is just boiled water and put the veggie, bok choy, not the bok choy, wombok and leek. Very simple one. And I put little bit fish stock. This fish stock little bit. This fish stock powder is very useful. And little bit soy sauce, make color. That's it. I found rice noodle in the soup and mix it. Okay, after a few minutes and turn off the stove. And that's it. Very simple. Just this is vegetable soup. This vegetable soup, and I try to have a taste. And this two ponzu sauce. And today's different angle because it's too good weather and so bright, and you can see what is inside the hot pot, and you don't know how to eat the ponzu sauce for hot pot. Okay, first I try this Yuzu Ponzu. First put Yuzu sauce here. It's like dipping sauce. Like this. I get this vegetable soup. This is very simple. Look at this. Tofu, vegetable, and little bit soup and almost ponzu sauce. いただきます。Okay, I try. And tofu. This yuzu flavor is very worked. It tastes little bit this soup, very thin taste. But this strong flavor of the ponzu makes more delicious this vegetable. Very easy to eat. Eat a lot. I like this yuzu flavor. It's strong. Okay, next lemon. Yeah, lemon ponzu. And same veggies, one pork, leek, and tofu. That's it, simple. いただきます。I like it. Yuzu is stronger than lemon, the citrus taste. I more like yuzu one, but if you don't have, it's difficult to get yuzu juice, so it's lemon is also very okay. Lemon is the basic ponzu, but yuzu also very popular. Yeah, you can try lemon. おいしい. Okay, how was today's video? I made ponzu sauce today. Please make it and try. After making ponzu sauce, you can keep it in your fridge, maybe almost 1 month. You can put with this kombu in the bottle as well. Thank you for watching today. I wanted to bring Yamato, but he's sleeping, so I let him sleep. See you in another video. Bye! Why this kind of cooking sauce is very popular? Because it can be used in many different ways.